Hi, my name is Gokajun with my metric number 220111079. I'm about to present the history of the positive flow meter, positive displacement flow meter. The positive displacement flow meters are the only flow measuring technology to directly measure the volume of the fluid that passes through the flow meter. It achieved this by trapping pockets of the fluid between rotating components housed with high precision chamber. The positive displacement flow meter are truly a member of the class of traditional technology flow meters. Their history goes back to 1850 years when Samuel Clerk invented the first PD gas flow meter, where PD aka positive displacement. This water this was a water seal rotating drum meter. Until then, the Clerk's sons-in-law, John Malem, together with Samuel Crossley, invented an improved one model in 1825. But the problem remained with high costs, freezing, and hard access. But then, the development of positive displacement flow meters was driven by the increasing need to accurately measure the amount of the water and gas consumed in house and commercial and manufacturing establishment. Positive meter predate the earliest new technology flow meter by more than 100 years. Because the PD meters have been around so long, there's been more time for supplies to develop and for an install base to build up. The very longevity for the PD meter helps assure its continued use.
Hello doctor, my name is Chiu Jingxian with metric number 2011107440. Today I'm going to talk about the working principle of positive displacement flow meter. Positive displacement flow meter is the only flow measurement technology that directly measures the volume of the fluid passing through the flow meter. From the diagram, we can see that there are two oval gears inside of the flow meter. The flow of the fluid will causes the gear to rotate. As the gear rotate, specific amount of fluid are trapped in the chamber between gear and the body. Each time a gear rotate, a precise amount of fluid will pass along. If the fluid increase, the speed of rotation of the gear will speed up too. But it still pass the same precise amount of fluid along with each rotation. There will be a counter mechanism count each rotation of gear to determine the total flow of fluid through the meter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Goh Wei Hong. My number battery is 201110750. Today, I'm here to talk about the advantage of positive displacement flow meter. First, positive displacement flow meter are very accurate and have high turndown. Positive displacement flow meter measurement is high. The basic error is generally plus minus 0.5% R, and the special one can reach plus minus 0.2% R and higher. Then, positive displacement flow meter can be used in very viscous, dirty, and corrosive fluid, essentially require no straight run of pipe or fluid flow stream conditioning, though pressure drop can be an issue. They typically do not require filtration prior to processing. The accuracy of positive displacement flow meter not affected by the upstream condition. It requires very little straight upstream piping. Other than that, positive displacement flow meter is a direct reading instrument without external energy. The cumulative total can be directly obtained, which is clear and easy to operate. Positive displacement flow meter with internal wiping seal produce the higher differential pressure and subsequently greatest pressure drop head loose of all the flow meter type. Meter that rely on liquid seal create a relatively low pressure drop. Last, in the measurement of high pressure natural gas that is not suitable for density meter measurement, the compression coefficient of difficult to handle gas can be obtained indirectly with positive displacement flow meter. That's all for my presentation. Thank you, doctor.
Assalamualaikum and good evening, doctor. My name is Al-Akifai bin Ruzaidi. My metric number is FM1-A-0737. My course is Mechanical Engineering. Today I would like to talk about disadvantage of positive displacement flow meters. First, they are normally limited to higher viscosity fluid with very low viscosity liquid, or in gas, this meter is less accurate because there is more leakage in the internal sealing surface. Second, it cannot handle abrasive fluids. Third, typical material of construction will corrode in the presence of water or water-based fluids. Number 4, it's heavy and expensive. Number 5, it may cause pulsation in flow. Number 6, it can only be used for limited range of pressure and temperature. Number 7, and lastly, maintenance cost is very high. Thank you, Doctor.
Hello everyone, my name is Evangeline. My matrix number is 201110745. So now I will introduce some of the application of positive displacement flow meter. So firstly, for the chemical industry, the positive displacement flow meter are used to accurately estimate the flow of viscous fluids and various chemicals for making the batches in pharmaceutical laboratories. They also use the positive displacement flow meter to measure the hydrocarbon and cryogenic liquids. So secondly, the positive displacement flow meter are also used for measuring the fuel usage in diesel power boilers. Besides that, the positive displacement flow meter are also used to accurately measuring the fluids such as flavoring and colorings in food industry. They also use the positive displacement flow meter in the packaging also. Finally, the positive displacement flow meter are used for most of the common water meters for the residential and small commercial properties. So that's all from me. Thank you.